Hello everyone, my name is Syakib Pradipta. Today I'm going to share my reflections for our Introduction to Literature course. This, this presentation is based on 11 reflective questions that I answered in detail. I will walk you through my feelings and my hopes as a student of literature. How do you feel when you first heard that we are going to study Introduction to Literature? Are you excited, nervous, or curious? Why do you feel that way? When I first heard that we are going to study Introduction to Literature, I feel curious and little nervous. I'm curious because literature open many windows to stories, ideas, and cultures I have never explored before. At the same time, I feel nervous because I know it might involve difficult vocabulary and deeper analysis. What do you find most interesting about studying English literature? Is it the language, the stories, or the ideas? Can you give an example of what excites you? The most interesting part about studying English literature for me is the stories. Stories can take us to different places and times, and they often reflect human emotions and experience. For example, I get excited when reading short stories about struggles and dreams because they remind me of my real life. When you heard the word literature, which work or author first comes to your mind? Is it a local or international writer? Why do you think of that person or work? When I heard the word literature, I think about Terelie. He is a local Indonesian writer whose novels are very popular and meaningful. I think of him because his works often explore family, friendship, and life lessons that are close to our reality, so they are easy to connect with. How do you imagine a literature class will be different from other English classes? What activities do you expect? Reading, discussion, performance? How might it be more creative or reflective than grammar or writing class? I imagine a literature class will be different from other English classes because it will not only focus on grammar or vocabulary, but also on feelings, imagination, and ideas. I expect activities like reading stories, discussing characters, maybe performing drama, or even writing reflections. This feels more creative and reflective than technical classes. Have you ever read a story poem or drama in English? What was your experience like? What was the title or author? Was it easy, challenging, or inspiring for you? Yes, I have read a drama in English, Romeo and Juliet by William Shakespeare. At first, it was quite challenging because of the old language, but it was also inspiring. The story about love and tragedy left a strong impression on me. In your opinion, what is the greatest benefit you can gain from the understanding literary works? Can literature improve your language skills? Can it also change the way you think or feel about life? In my opinion, the greatest benefit from understanding literary works is gaining deeper thinking and sensitivity. Literature can improve my language skills, like vocabulary and expression, but it can also change the way I feel life. Sometimes a story makes us reflect on values, emotions, and choice. How can literature help you see the world and other cultures in a new way? What kinds of cultures do you hope to learn about through literature? How can stories build empathy and understanding? Literature can help me see the world differently by showing me cultures, traditions, and perspectives I have never experienced. I hope to learn about cultures from different countries or continents, such as Europe, Asia, or Africa. Through their stories build empathy because when we follow a character's journey, we feel what they feel. If you could choose Which genre would you like to study more? Poetry, prose, or drama? Why? What makes that genre more appealing to you? How do you think it matches your personality or interests? If I could choose, I would like to study prose more. Prose is appealing because it often more direct and easier to follow than poetry or drama. I enjoy reading narratives and it matches my interesting in exploring long stories with detailed characters and settings. What challenges do you predict when studying literary works in English? Do you think the language will be difficult? What strategies can help you overcome those challenges? The main challenge I predict is the language barrier. Sometimes the words in literature are old-fashioned or very complex. To overcome this, it can use a dictionary, read summaries, or discuss with classmates. Practicing regularly will also help me. What are your personal hopes for this course, both your academic growth and your daily life? What skill do you want to improve? Reading, writing, speaking, or critical thinking? How do you hope literature will inspire your daily life? My personal hope for this course are improve my critical thinking and speaking skills. I want to learn how to express my ideas about stories more clearly. In daily life, I hope literature will inspire me to be a more reflective, creative, and competitive for what others. In your opinion, what are the strengths of each literary genre? Poetry, prose, and drama? What is special about poetry compared to prose or drama? How does prose give you a different experience? What makes drama unique and powerful? Each literary genre has its own strengths. Poetry is special because it uses beautiful language and emotions in just a few lines. Prose gives us more complete story with detailed character and plots, so we can follow it step by step. Drama is unique and powerful because it is written to be performed, making making the emotions come alive on stage. So that's all my reflection. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.